Let it come down. Wow. Got it. And blow it out.
Yes. That feels great. Keep it coming. I can take a nap now. That's just great. I can still take a nap right now.
So we have Jude here today. Jude is a client of mine from the past. I haven't seen you in about a year, right?
Yeah, it's been close to a year and a half.
Yeah, so when the pandemic started, a lot of people, scattered, did different things in their lives, but it's good to connect today.
Yes.
And you've done many appointments with me over the years, though.
Yep. Yeah, I've seen you about 2 to 3 years.
Yeah. And so he's an actor and a performer here in New York City. He trains all the time. He's always working out, staying in good shape. But over the years, like once in a while, you would have a crick in the neck? Or,
yeah, and some lower back issues. Yeah.
And we'd see 1 or 2, 3, sometimes a handful of visits, and then you'd be fine, and then we'd connect another time in the future.
Yep.
So it's great to have you here today. Thank you.
Thank you.
What are some of your spots? Like, are you a neck guy today, lower back?
So for me, it's going to be the left shoulder and the neck, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so let's
get mobility.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do all that today. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do. A little lint from my table. Sorry. I gotta make sure you're looking good.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
So you feel it up in here then, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which I'm surprised about because I thought it'd be all in the shoulder.
We're gonna do that next. You definitely have shoulder too, but I want to start at the top. We're gonna go right under there, and I'm gonna turn your head this way. And let it fall. So I'm going to put my hand under there. And let it come down. Wow. How was that?
That was good. Yeah. I'm no stranger to this, so.
Okay, so next, I'm going to have you lie on your back.
Great. Keep it coming.
So the next thing we're going to do, I think you do need the Y-strap today, so we're going to do a little Y-strap on you. You're going to pull down this way.
Okay.
Scoot down towards me, about 10 inches, even more, a little longer. Good. That should be good.
Okay.
So we're going to put the Y-strap on, and then we're going to lay him down gently. So here, you can hold on to this, and I'm going to take you back, okay? So you're going to roll back down. That was nice, right?
Mm-hmm.
That was gentle. And so open your eyes just for a second. And do you feel the stretch?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
You can go further. There you go.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do another one. Now open your eyes as wide as you can. And say, ah.
Ah.
And relax. So big breath in. And blow it out.
Yes. That feels great. Keep it coming. Ah.
All right. Man, you're the best. That was fun.
Thank you. Oh God, yes, thank you.
Lie face down.
Okay.
Where did you hear the pops on the Y-strap?
It felt like it might have been upper back, but
Yeah.
don't quote me.
Okay. So now I'm gonna go into this muscle here and hit the traps a little bit. Ooh, right in there, right? Turn your face this way now. That should kill. But it feels good too, right? So I'm going to do the hypervolt next, and let's do it in slow motion. Wow, those are big ones. So now lie on your side facing me this way. Pull up this top knee and get this through here like this. Hold my hand. So let's do the low back next. We're going to get in here. Try to get L5. Got it. Perfect. Come to the other side. Let me get the shoulder out. I'm going to put my hand through here, okay? And hold on to your own tricep up there. Got it. All right.
It's great, guys. It's so great.
What do you notice the most? Like,
oh my god, so way less tension up here. I can also move my neck further, more mobility. Oh yeah. I could take a nap now. That's what's great. I can still take a nap right now. I would say my favorite is the first thing you did.
oh, with the seated one?
Yeah, it was like
the occiput lift.
Okay, I never know the names of these things. You always do your thing.
Yeah.
And then my second favorite was when you used the gun, the massage gun on my back.
Yeah, that felt good?
That felt great, yeah.
All right.
Especially in the middle of my back. I didn't realize how much tension I had there, how much tightness. Yeah, that's
All right.
great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, those are big ones.
It's great, guys. It's so great.